Hello friends, welcome to Dial Android YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to program a NFC sticker or tactile, Samsung Tactile using Samsung Tactile application. This application is available free of cost and can be used to program any NFC sticker including Samsung branded one or the other brands. So there are so many NFC stickers available in the market with different customization options like the shape, size and the type of glue you want. So I have chosen the Samsung original accessories. This is Samsung Tactiles, but you can use the same procedure to program any of the necessary stickers. So first you have to decide what are the tasks you are going to automate using that NFC sticker. So this application will definitely help you. You can download this Samsung Tactile from their website or Play Store. It is available free of cost. Now I'll show you what are the things you can do with this. The latest version of Tactile application, which is version 3.0.12, supports the multiple tasks to be written on one single NFC sticker. So it's a very useful feature. You can simultaneously change the settings or write the text or update your Facebook status or whatever. So to do that, what you have to do is you need to select the task first. So suppose you want to change some settings, so you have to select this phone settings and you can select all those whichever you want to include in that tactile, like you want to set the alarm, okay, you want to toggle your Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and put your phone into vibrate mode and set the automatic brightness. Click on next. Now you have the options. You can set the alarm time and you can set the toggle or on off option. Now click on the next. So it will add these sections. You can name anything for future use, or if you want to add some other actions to it, you can just click on add action and click on any other option you want, like if you want to share a contact or send a text message or forward calls, whatever. So you can do it with using this button, location or web. You can check in Facebook, whatever. You can save a bookmark. So after you are done with adding all the tasks, you need to just click on this program tactile and you'll have two options here. Lock this tactile when writing. That means this tactile will be locked and this NFC sticker or the tactile, whatever you are using, it will not be used in future to rewrite. Means the task you have assigned to it, it will never change. It will be as it is. And the other one is make this tactile private to my phone. That is something different. You should not use it because your friends might be using your sticker. Otherwise you can check this option only if your phone is only going to use that sticker. So I am now selecting any of these. Just click on the program tactile. Now if you have this option like write multiple tactiles with the same actions, that means you have 10 tactile stickers and you want to program all these the same function, then you can use. Otherwise just now you have to hold over this your phone to the tactile and you will see this confirmation your tactile has been written. So now we'll check that. So your NFC should be on for that. There is no other requirement whether you should have this Samsung Tactile application or not. If your device is compatible with NFC, you need to just hold over that and then it will show you all these actions will be performed, and you can see everything is already set up. My Wi-Fi is toggled, the automatic brightness. So all these things are done automatically. You can see the Bluetooth is on. So whatever task we have assigned, it's done. So in future if you want to reprogram it, you can just select the action like here and like this I have saved, or you can add any other one and just program your tactile again. So in this way you can program and easily use your NFC stickers. I hope this helps. If you have any query, just let us know. We'll try to solve it. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.